This is the 2025 pink RV camper van, and it's turning heads everywhere it goes. More than just a bold color choice, this van is a modern symbol of self-expression, freedom, and luxurious compact travel. Whether you're road tripping across the country or setting up a mobile lifestyle, this vibrant camper delivers style and functionality in one perfectly sculpted package. From the outside, the soft pink paint gives it an unmistakable presence. It's not just pink for show. This is a matte finish with a UV protective coating, making it highly resistant to scratches and sun fading. Paired with black chrome detailing, custom wheels, and a sleek aerodynamic shape, this RV isn't just pretty, it's seriously modern. Step inside, and you'll find a minimalist yet luxurious interior that completely redefines van life. The layout is efficient, with a convertible lounge that turns into a queen-size bed, overhead storage, and a fully integrated kitchenette. There's a dual-burner induction stove, a smart refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee station, all finished in soft rose gold and brushed silver. The interior lighting is ambient and adjustable, with LED strips running through the ceiling and under cabinetry to create a relaxing vibe no matter the time of day. Plus, large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, and blackout shades keep it cozy when it's time to rest. One of the standout features of the 2025 pink RV is its smart integration. The van runs on a central digital system that controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and even solar charging, all accessible from a touch panel or your smartphone. It's designed to be completely off-grid capable, with a high-efficiency solar roof array and a lithium battery system that powers your essentials for days. Under the hood, the pink RV runs on a hybrid electric drivetrain, delivering up to 22 kilometers per liter in fuel efficiency. That means longer trips with fewer stops and more savings in your pocket. With a smooth, quiet ride and adaptive cruise control, this van is built for comfort and long-haul journeys. The bathroom setup is compact but practical. It includes a cassette toilet, a fold-out shower system, and eco-friendly water filtration. Everything is designed to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. Every corner of this van is purposeful. And when it comes to price, the 2025 pink RV starts at $39,900, an incredibly fair deal considering the tech, build quality, and design that comes with it. For solo travelers, couples, or digital nomads, this is an all-in-one mobile suite that combines elegance and independence. If you're ready to travel in a vehicle that reflects your bold personality and practical needs, the pink RV camper van is exactly what you've been waiting for. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more unique vehicle reviews and lifestyle content. There's a whole world of innovation out there, and we're here to explore it with you.